Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the Audi A4 B8 headrests. Okay, so to do this you need to come in the back of the seat, or you can try from the front, but it's easier to come here and search for a button. You will feel it, it's here under my finger, and in the other side there's nothing. So here we have a button, not sure on which side in this seat it is. No, it's still, it's also on the left side, so on the left side of the seat, at least for left-hand drive cars. And start moving this upwards, and at this point I kind of will need two hands. You push really strong on this button and then wiggle this thing a bit upwards and pull it out. But yeah, you need to push quite strong on the button. Okay, so press on the button. You can use your second hand until you feel it's pressed, and now lift this thing up. And yeah, my seat, it's already reaching the top, so I cannot pull it out, although I think I can do it like this somehow. Yeah, and it's out. So that's that. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And to put it back, simply insert it in the holes, if I could actually manage to find the proper position, and you press it, and there's that. So, bye.